to Be Creative Stamping and my Be Creative tip of the week. This week's tip focuses on organizing your Framelits and Thinlits dies. I like to store my Framelits and Thinlits dies on sturdy magnetic sheets. This sheet is measuring 6 inches by 7 inches, and you can find these magnetic sheets at Stamp in Storage. I'll have a link at the bottom of my blog post. Before I show you a few organizational tips, let me show you where you can find Lots to Love box. It's located in the 2018 Occasions catalog. It can be purchased separately or in the Sure Do Love You bundle. Now this wonderful little box is about to retire. So if you're interested in the dies or the stamp set or bundling both, now is the time to pick it up. They will retire on May 31st, 2018. Here's a peek at what the Lots to Love box looks like. I actually have a separate video on how to create this box, and it's you can Google it at Truly Gentleman Suite. Here are the little note cards that fit perfectly inside, and these are the Whisper White narrow cards. They can also be found in the 2018 Occasions catalog on page 19. My first tip for organizing your Framelits dies is to actually create a label to put on the magnetic sheet. I always include the title, and then in parentheses I put the actual number of pieces that are included in this die set. The second thing I like to do is to cut out all of these pieces and to attach them to the back of the card. That way I can see what these shapes look like once they're cut out. My third tip is to label the die with the correct measurement of paper that's needed. For example, the paper size to create the Lots to Love box, this is the actual box. The paper size, I know that I need 2, and they must measure 4 1/4 inches by 6 3/4 inches. Now, by putting the paper size here, it saves me time, because next time that I would like to make a Lots of Love box, I don't have to stop and measure the die to get the correct paper. So this has been one of the biggest time savers that I have found. So please let me know if you have any questions, and thanks so much for buzzing by and watching my Be Creative tip of the week.